Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the 7 AI tools that everyone should know about. As AI technology becomes more advanced and more accessible, there are a variety of tools out there that can help you work smarter and more efficiently. So whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just someone who's interested in AI technology, this video is for you. Chatbots. Chatbots are a great way to automate customer service and support. They can be used on websites, social media, and messaging apps to quickly and efficiently answer customer questions and provide support. Image recognition. Image recognition technology can be used to identify objects, people, and even emotions in images. This technology can be used for a variety of purposes, including security, marketing, and product development. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a type of AI technology that can be used to analyze and understand human language. This technology can be used for a variety of purposes, including chatbots, voice assistants, and sentiment analysis. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is a type of AI technology that uses data to make predictions about future events. This technology can be used for a variety of purposes, including marketing, finance, and healthcare. Speech recognition. Speech recognition technology can be used to transcribe audio recordings, create voice assistants, and even provide closed captioning for videos. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI technology to understand and respond to voice commands. These assistants can be used to perform a variety of tasks, including setting reminders, making appointments, and even ordering food. Recommendation engines. Recommendation engines are used to provide personalized recommendations to users based on their behavior and preferences. This technology is used by companies like Amazon and Netflix to suggest products and content to users. So there you have it, 7 AI tools that everyone should know about. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just someone who's interested in AI technology, these tools can help you work smarter and more efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And as always, let us know in the comments which AI tools you find the most useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.